Come on, man. Yeah, put it all right there. Yeah, looky, y'all. Got some gravy. So yeah, Fluff Dog, what you know about this? Yeah, sit on my stuff. What this? This about 7 or 8 hours right here. I see this transmission pan. This is ZF transmission, guys. I sell trans services around here. All right, y'all look at this. 8-9 speed. This Mopar fluid right here, guys. Y'all see it in that box right there. That is a oil filter adapter. Have 3.6 Pentastar. Oh, had an evap leak, coolant flush, a belt, a real differential service. Yep. And some more goodies down, spark plugs down there. So tune up as well. So I got like an 8-hour job I'm about to bring in and knock out. Yes, guys, I love it. Gravy? Yeah, you can call it gravy. ZF transmission service, man. Help prolong the life of your transmission, y'all. Stay on top of this. All right, this car has 120,000 miles on it. Why not? Let's get it. All right, guys, this is ZF 8HP transmission found in a Dodge Challenger rear-wheel drive vehicle. Nothing to it, nothing special about it. I don't know why the world is panicking over Feel for Life. Guys, this is simple to remove your pan and essentially replace your pan because the filter is integrated. Now, look at the condition of that fluid. This car has 120,000 miles. You telling me you guys are out there willing to leave this in your transmission for the remaining of its life? This is not Feel for Life, guys. That filter, you see how trashy that filter is? There's a good picture of that filter. That is called contamination, guys. That contamination comes from normal wear and tear in a transmission. Okay, the torque converter is coming apart over time. Over time, everything in this transmission will wear. So that debris has to go somewhere. It will eventually end up in your transmission filter, guys. You need to replace this. ZF said every 60,000 miles. I go a good 80 and you should be good. But look at that. Service your transmission, guys, in order to make your transmission last longer.